My name is Angela. I was a software engineer, and today I inspire children in the STEM education space. So children today have a lot of instant gratitude. Things given to them, they expect it to work immediately. And that's not really the case in the real world. The Brick Lab Kit is a tool that children can use to help them with hands-on building skills and helps them understand that creativity isn't always going to be successful in the first round, and that failure is such a natural thing in the world. And it really helps them develop their confidence and help them become a successful adult when they grow up. When a child is nurtured from a very young age, they naturally become curious about science, about technology, about coding and robotics. And when we plant that little seed of curiosity, they will have the potential in that STEM space. A regular toy is something that a child plays in the same way over and over again. A brick lab provides unlimited possibilities. It is a toolkit for learning and for them to be unbounded by their creativity. The membership space that you can access online will allow or support the parents as well as the teachers who aren't so confident in supporting the child. The online portal gives you access to all of the lessons that explains the background to a particular concept, such as gearing up and gearing down, which is to do with engineering, such as centrifugal forces, which is to do with science. After explaining that through a lesson, a guided lesson, a child's able to then take that theoretical concept and go see that physically working in a completed model. Test that out and see what other challenges they can do to improve that. There's a whole range of skills that children will be developing as they build and learn with their Brick Lab Kit. Most importantly is their resilience, their ability to understand failure is okay and to stand up and try again. They will be building their creativity skills, their engineering skills, and of course, if they're working with some friends, there's a lot of team collaboration.